Okay. Hello, everyone. Got a Gripper here. So, I'm here with my cat. So remember when I made a review with my dog? Well, this is kind of the same thing, but with my cat. So, this is Lily. It's a female. She's 3 years old. She was born July 2018, but unknown day. She's shy, but she's comfortable around me. Anyway, yeah, that's my cat. Can you say hi, girl? She says hi. You're so cute, baby. She's my best friend. My cat best friend. Isn't that right, darling? You my favorite? Yeah, you my favorite? She really loves Sweet Pea. When I'm older, she'll be living with me. Is that right? When I get my own house, you're gonna live with me. You're gonna have your own brothers and sisters. When I'm older, I'm planning to name my cats like King, Pico, like Pico from Pico School. And there's also Rose. Like Lily being a flower, Rose is also a flower. Named Lily after a flower. Isn't that right, girl? Yeah. Isn't that right? Oh, she's sleepy, baby. Isn't that right? Oh, you're so cute. Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you like and subscribe. Hit the bell button. Can you say bye? Can you say bye to the viewers? She says bye.